अस्सलामुअलैकुम। तो आज हम लोग ये सेकंड पार्ट है हाउ टू मेक अ सिंपल बेसबॉल एनिमेशन। और आज हम लोग कोडिंग करेंगे बेसबॉल की। तो फर्स्ट यू नीड टू ग्रैब व्हेन फ्लैग क्लिक्ड, देन गो टू मोशन एंड ग्रैब go to here because we need its position to be there. Now we will grab wait 1 second and change it to 2. Now we will go to motion and we need our baseball to be with better. Now our code is working. Now we have to go to better and we have to delete its last costume and we have to check to where is its bats. Now we need the ball to be there. So we will grab glide 1 second. Now I choose 2 seconds where it's your option what speed you want. Now we have to grab if block. If now motion if touching better. Now we will change it to better and if touching better then go to here like a shot. Now we will grab the same glide 1 second but we will this time not change it. Now this is working. Look. That's it for today's video. We will do the coding on the other part and that will be our last part. Thanks for watching.